Jai Hind, I'm Prashant from Sandeep's Doon Defense Academy, and this video today is about the notification released by Indian Army for the technical entry in Indian Army for the 54th course of technical entry services in Indian Armed Forces. So the eligibility, we will talk about eligibility criteria, the last date of submission of form, and what are the requirements for getting shortlisted. So candidates who have passed their 10+2 जिनका 12th का result आ गया है, they are eligible to appear in this examination provided they have secured more than 60% marks in their class 12th, plus they have appeared in JEE mains examination 2025. So this is the primary eligibility, that you should have passed your 12th with 60% marks and you must have appeared in JEE mains examination 2025. Second criteria is of age. So it is same as for the NDA, the between 16.5 to 19.5 years. Candidates who are born before 2nd July, the candidates who are born between 2nd July 2006 and 1st July 2009 are eligible to appear in this examination. So we have two criterias. One is educational qualification 10+2 with JEE mains examination, the candidate must have appeared, and then he should be in the age bracket of 16.5 and 19.5 years. Then there isn't any entrance examination for this technical entry scheme. Your score of JEE mains plus your marks, percentage marks in class 12th is the criteria for shortlisting of candidates for the SSB. Next, the total number of vacancies are 90, and this technical entry scheme is only for male candidates. Only boys, male candidates can apply for this scheme. So here are the important dates. The application begins on 13th May 2025 and last date for applying is 12 June 2025. So you have a window of 1 month and you can go to website of Sandeep's Doon Defense Academy, www.doondefenseacademy.com, and you will find a link to apply for the technical entry scheme. So there isn't any entrance test for this, your score of JEE mains, but you will be required to qualify the SSB, 5-day SSB. So in Doon Defense Academy, if you think you have secured like CBSE, ICSE, all results are out now, and if you have secured good percentage, you have appeared in JEE mains examination, you can call us at 8279-640-145 to know about the details and schedule of SSB preparation, because what will you require to get through is your SSB. So this is for today. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Kindly subscribe D-Day YouTube channel and don't forget to press bell icon.